Okay, YouTube buddies. Hey, just here with my 1997 Toyota RAV4, trying to change the bulb. Recently, the light has gone out in this particular shifter, and I want to replace the bulb that goes in there. And it seems to be a pretty easy process to do, like removing 5 screws and pulling this console right here out. And it seems to be straightforward. However, I have already taken it loose. Just want to show you where to go to do this. First of all, you would get your little pry bar. I think these things are wonderful. Get them on eBay, on Amazon for a set for about $10. And they come with different types, 4 or 5 of them. Whatever trim removal you have to do, this is great. So the first thing you want to do is pop this off. Break it. There you go. And you want to remove this, and you can see how dirty. If you ever wonder where all your food went to when you try to eat in the car, this is probably it. This is not necessary, but I do want to take this off as well. I've already propped it loose, and you can see all the stuff that's falling underneath your emergency brake. Then there are 4 screws. There's one up front, one here, and then there's one on both sides, on the other side of the car as well. I've already taken those out. Then you want to remove this. What I did find easy to do is if you take and put the car in gear, it's a lot easier to remove this part. And then once it's removed, put your car back in park and turn off the key. Now that all of this is gone, you can really see how messy this gets underneath. I'm sorry, I did miss a screw. There was a cup holder right here. It screws into this part. That's the 5th screw. Now, underneath here is going to where the light bulb would be. I've already taken the bulb out, but it was placed right in this section here. And you just twist it to unlock it, pull it down, and then you will put the bulb back in here. So I have to go to the AutoZone or Toyota and get that bulb. So that's why I haven't replaced it yet. I wanted to take it with me so that I would know exactly which bulb to purchase. Instead of me going to buy the bulb, come back here, take all this apart, and then going back up there again. Now, then that's about it. Once you replace it, turn it back in, then you will reverse everything that you just did to put it back together. And that's pretty straightforward. Hope you have a great day and keep on around for me.